Christine, really unbelievable to see just how much this land has moved. Now, this road used to be up where our camera is now. I estimate probably 12 feet higher than where we are currently, and it's only getting worse out here.
Approximately 30 miles beneath the golden, sun-drenched hills of California, a geological mystery is unfolding that has placed the entire West Coast on maximum alert. While the world has long treated the idea of California falling into the ocean as a Hollywood myth, the reality on the ground in early January 2026 is far more terrifying. A massive deep-crustal failure has been identified along the San Andreas Fault, a hidden fracture that suggests the very foundation of the western United States is no longer secure. This is not a routine seismic update. It is a discovery that could redefine the geography of the North American continent forever. The geological history of California is defined by the relentless struggle between two massive slabs of the Earth's lithosphere, the Pacific Plate and the North American Plate. For millions of years, these plates have been locked in a slow-motion battle, sliding past one another along the San Andreas Fault. This zone of tectonic convergence has built the rugged coastlines, the fertile Central Valley, and the towering Sierra Nevada. However, this movement is rarely smooth. Instead, the plates become locked, building up unfathomable amounts of stress that can only be released through violent earthquakes. But what we are witnessing now is something entirely different. In these first days of January 2026, something extraordinary and alarming was detected by a network of high-sensitivity seismic sensors. Using a technology known as deep Earth tomography, essentially an X-ray for the planet, scientists have identified a previously unknown structural failure stretching hundreds of miles beneath the California coast. This is not just a fault line, it is a tectonic detachment. The speed of this discovery caught even experienced specialists by surprise. While the San Andreas has been monitored for over a century, this specific deep layer detachment had remained hidden until now. Seismic instruments detected a sudden increase in low-frequency tremors, the characteristic signal indicating that the crust is undergoing a total structural failure. Unlike the gradual signs of unrest seen in other parts of the world, this transition to a state of high alert occurred in less than 72 hours as the western edge of the state began to unzip from the main continent. The most impressive and frightening phenomenon identified by researchers is what they call tectonic lubrication. Deep underground, the immense friction and pressure along the fault line have reached a critical point. In simple language, the heat generated by the grinding plates has begun to melt the surrounding rock, creating a layer of molten grease that allows the plates to slide with almost zero resistance. The friction lock that has held California to the North American continent for eons has broken. Ground deformation gauges located near the Big Sur coast and the San Francisco Bay Area have registered an expansion of approximately 120 nanostrains, a number that suggests the Earth is being stretched to its absolute breaking point. GPS stations, which function 24 hours a day to detect millimetric changes in behavior, have confirmed that the land west of the San Andreas is shifting northwest and down the continental shelf at a rate significantly higher than the yearly average. In some areas, movement is no longer measured in inches per year, but in inches per day. The most visible evidence of this catastrophe is seen along California's iconic Highway 1. As the landmass detaches and begins its slow slide into the Pacific, the fragile coastal infrastructure is the first to go. Massive sections of the highway have already crumbled into the churning waters below, a visual reminder that the ground we stand on is not as solid as it seems. These are not simple landslides. They are the surface-level symptoms of a deep earth snap. The region around this new discovery is home to approximately 40 million people. For those living in the coastal cities of Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Francisco, the news of a sliding state is a matter of constant attention by local authorities. These urban centers are situated just miles from the primary fault zones, a proximity that makes every seismic shift a matter of immediate concern. Currently, the international scientific community has raised the seismic alert code to its highest level. This allows scientists to observe in real time the magma and water movements through underground conduits, and analyze the chemical composition of gases escaping from new deep earth vents. Up to this moment, there are no records of total property destruction in the inland areas, but the coastal fringe is literally vanishing into the sea. Local authorities maintain constant vigilance, and evacuation plans for coastal zones are ready to be activated should the rate of detachment accelerate. The experience accumulated over decades of coexistence with the fault has made California communities well prepared to respond to emergencies. However, this detachment event offers scientists a unique opportunity to observe the hidden forces of nature in real time. By collecting data from nearly 30 kilometers below the surface, researchers are seeing the living planet in a state of violent transition. The information gathered during this event will contribute to refining computational models that simulate tectonic behavior and will help develop better early warning tools. Professor Boris Banka, an expert in deep earth mechanics, has highlighted that the data collected from this new fracture could finally explain the mechanics of the big one. By observing how the crust deforms and how energy from the deep mantle surges upward, we are learning more about the indomitable energy that continues to surprise us. For years, the idea of California sliding into the sea was the stuff of science fiction and disaster movies. But as we move further into January 2026, the data tells a different story. The Great Detachment is a reminder that our world is a shifting, breathing entity. The Earth is never finished being made. The map of the United States is being rewritten, and the Golden State is at the center of a geological revolution. The indomitable energy of the San Andreas system is a reminder that we are merely guests on a planet that is constantly in motion. The 120 nanostrain expansion and the melting rock deep beneath our feet are the raw forces of creation and destruction. We are watching the North American continent change in real time, a process that will eventually leave California as a new island chain or a submerged mountain range. If you are fascinated by these hidden forces of nature, the active faults, the massive earthquakes, and the extraordinary phenomena that continuously shape our planet, stay informed. We will continue to track the California detachment and bring you the latest data as it arrives. Our living planet continues to surprise us with its power and understanding that power is our only way to navigate its shifting surface.